To factory reset your Kwikset Z-Wave door lock and keypad, at least this model, it's very simple. Just go ahead and pull this panel up. You might need to put a nail underneath here. Lift up, it slides right up. And then you see a couple of things. You see the Z-Wave QR codes, which I've covered for this demo because I really don't want to put my device's QR codes out on the internet. And then we see two buttons. Don't touch the top button. That has to do with enabling the Wi-Fi features and connecting it to alarm systems through Wi-Fi and all that kind of stuff. This is your button that we're going to be using today. So what you would do is pull out this battery pack. There's a little handle here. Just pull that straight up, comes out. There's no click or anything. And just for your reference, it has 4 AA batteries in it. So we'll put that aside. And then what you would do, which I won't do right now because I don't want to, hold this button in, and while you hold it in, replace your battery pack. And to replace the battery pack, you just gently drop it back in like that, and it shows the arrows going toward the door there, so you know you've put it in correctly. Mine beeped because all I did was reinstall the battery pack, but in your case, because you're holding in this button, it would beep and kind of go crazy a little bit. And I can't remember if the door lock starts moving at that point, but I think you have to, once that's done, once you hear that beep, then you just press this set button again, and then it goes through its cycle process. So what will happen is it will cycle the lock, and for me, where the door jamb is to the left, that's pretty much all there is to it. It cycles it, it opens it. It might try to go the other direction. It might not, but either way, at that moment, it knows, for me, the door jamb is to the left. For you, if you happen to have a door jamb that goes in that direction, it, of course, tries first here, and then if it hits an obstacle or can't move, then it tries the other side. And then if it's able to extend, it knows your door has a jamb on that side. Regardless, at that point, it is done and it is factory reset, so there are no codes in the system. So in order to enter a code, you just tap this once, or click it once, this lower button, and then enter a new code on the other side of the door, of course. You would type in your 4-digit code and hit the Kwikset button, and it would beep, and then I think it again goes crazy and beep, 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 whatever. You click that again and it's done. And I think that second click, this extends to show that it worked. And then you can play with it all you want. You can open it, you can close it from here, you can do all that around the back. And yeah, then you're good to go. And if you forget how to enter a new code, you just look on the back cover and it says exactly what I said here. All right, so that's how to factory reset and enter a new code. And then simply restore that, and you're all done.